Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since we recorded a video. So today I thought we had a big purchase with Amazon in this quarantine, and we thought we'll show you the products and a decent review of how this product actually looks like. And thank you Amazon for providing us all the product in this quarantine time. So the first product is like the makeup organizer. Everyone needs a decent makeup organizer, cheap, affordable one in their house, and that's the reason we bought this one. This is a plastic set. I'll put on the links and the pricings for these products below in the description box. So this one has two compartments actually. The first one is an open one with all the lipstick, mascara, eyeliner holder. We can have the brushes, compacts, everything here assembled. And the second compartment is like a drawer, and it is like a safe one, dust free, because it's like compartment closed. So we can keep our safety pins, hairpins, combs, bands, clips, everything here on this plastic. This one is really compact and it is like very affordable one, and seriously guys, this worth penny. So the next thing which we bought is a pedicure set. So this pedicure set actually consists of 6 products. So these products are from, again, a local brand. So we have a small dead cell remover, skin scrapers, nail shapers, again a skin shaper, skin scraper and smoothener. They give a complement of, I believe, 10 blades are there. So we get a blade along with this one. So this one again is good. The blade seems to be stainless and they are very sharp, clean, neat one. So this one again is a good product. And the next thing which we purchased was a 10 set comb. So this is the 10 set comb, and it has all the styling tools inside it, and it is for every type of hair, from curly to the straight hair. Even men can use it. We have all types of things here. The one thing which I personally like in this is this one, this comb with the steel hairs, partitioner. This one is very nice. The metal and plastic seems to be very good. So again, this is again another recommended one. So this comb set is clean, neat, and it is compact as well. You can use it for travel. And the next thing we used is for makeup brushes. Seriously, look at this pouch. Doesn't it look cute? Yeah. So this is how it looks. This comes with a pouch, and it is like 20 sets of brushes. So this is how it looks. So we have all types of brushes, from blush, eyebrow, eyeshadows, lipsticks. So the entire face can be covered with these brushes. All the brushes are of good quality and they are very smooth, and the finish is not bad. For this cost, it is not bad at all. Comparing to the branded ones, these are decent priced and they are looking good, soft. So this is a 20 set makeup kit again. And then we had one more brush set purchased, and we had a gift for this one in Amazon actually. It's a beauty blender. So it comes with this pom-pom beauty blender. Seriously, this alone worth some money, but this is a compliment one with this brush set. So this is again another, the original one will be Urban Decay, but this is the duplicate, and it looks like this. We like this brush with a box, so we bought this one again to check the quality. And seriously, trust me, these are not bad. These are good quality one. See, these brushes are really nice and they're very smooth as well. We have all types of brushes in this, and again it is like a 12 sets compartment. And then we had the manicure and face clip. This one is like, wow, these metals looks very good. These black metal were very attractive, so we bought this one. This is a 15-piece set, and it comes with this compact travel size pouch, and it is very nice. We have all types of nail clippers, face pimples removers, eyebrow shaper, and then facial hair removers, scissors, shapers, and etc. And these looks very amazing actually. Another product which we bought is a travel case for makeup, and this one is like a firm fabric, and this is like very good quality. It will not get damaged as well. All the products kept will definitely be safe. See, look at the quality. All the fabric here is thick, and these compartments are removable and adjustable. So this one again for your makeup organization. We can have the clips, eyeshadows, everything kept inside this, and nothing will break. We can have it travel compact. So this one again, this is another one. And finally, we've also checked with one beauty blender. So this one is the final product which we purchased. This doesn't seem to be bad, but this beauty blender is smooth, soft, and it is very nice. So guys, I'll put on the links for this product below, and hope you'll all enjoy it. So guys, Amazon have some good products. Even though they are second quality products, they definitely worth money. Those girls who are looking for affordable makeup items, you can definitely try with Amazon. There are some beautiful products out there. Thank you Amazon for delivering these products at the correct time for us, and hope you guys all are safe at this quarantine time. Let me come up with a new idea on my next video. Hope I'll be soon. So please subscribe to my channel if you like this. Give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Thank you. Bye.